This video I'll be talking about 7 mistakes of intraday trading and how you should avoid them. Okay, so I'll be telling you the 7 mistakes what intraday trading people do, and also I'll be talking about how you can avoid them. So make sure you watch it. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about 7 mistakes of intraday trading and how you should avoid them. Okay, so I'll be telling you the 7 mistakes what intraday trading people do, and also I'll be talking about how you can avoid them. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses have recovered their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys wish to make constant profit like this, you can join us now. So the many people who have joined us are now seeing improvement in their trading, and they're learning to make constant profit, and they're recovering their losses now. Okay, so if you're new to a stock market trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn constant profit. Okay, and also if you're having losses, you can join us. I'll be helping you to recover your losses, and once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. Okay, you can go through all of these feedback messages and an earning proof. If you guys wish to make constant profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. Okay, so these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you by 95% accuracy unique strategies with no indicators, and I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline what is needed, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stock and everything. And just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be teaching you a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the mistakes what intraday trading people do and how they can avoid it. Okay, so first thing is identifying the market trend. Yes, this is the first difficulty what we find in intraday trading. So firstly, you need to learn to identify the market trend. Okay, so once you identify the market trend, you will know whether to go for a buying side or a selling side. Okay, so firstly, you should identify the market trend, whether the market is in uptrend or downtrend. So once the market is open, you need to give it some time so that it will settle it, and then you'll come to know the direction of the market. And once it is settled, you can take a trade. Okay, so don't jump into a trade as soon as the market opens. So give it some time to settle, for example till 30 minutes or 1 hour. So after the market is settled, there will be no more of much volatility, so the market will be settled, and then you can come to know the market direction. Okay, so firstly, you should identify the market trend. Coming to the next point, not booking the profit. So a lot of people, what they do is sometimes they catch the good entry but they don't exit at the profit. Okay, so they will be little bit of greedy, they buy it and they just keep on waiting for the full day to stock to go up, but that doesn't happen. Stock will go 1 or 2% up and falls down, so that time you'll book the loss. So don't ever do that. So you should book your profit then and there when it reaches. Okay, you should always keep your profit point of the exit, for example 1% of a stock or 0.5% of a stock, which is safe. Okay, so you should always keep the profit exit point and exit it. Not limiting the losses, even this happens. A lot of people buy a stock and the stock will be going down, they'll still keep waiting for coming up. So that should not happen. You should always keep the stop loss and limit your losses and exit. Okay, so don't wait unnecessarily. So always keep a stop loss and exit it so that you can safeguard your capital. trading the wrong market. So a lot of beginners, what they do is they will not try to identify what side the market is, and trading the wrong market means sometimes the market will be very choppy, or it will be in a range bound, or there will be a no direction. Okay, so that there will be a no movement, so at that time you should not trade. Okay, so if you're a beginner, I would advise you to skip the trading for that day. Okay, because when you're trading in a wrong market, you will not know the direction, you will not know what to trade and all these things. So trading in wrong market, you should avoid it. Coming to the next point, lack of strategy. Okay, so a lot of people are having a lack of strategy. Okay, so they will not be having a good intraday trading strategy to make a constant profit. Okay, so they will have a less accuracy strategy. So what you guys need to do is, if you guys are new to a stock market trading, or if you don't have a good strategy, you can join my course. In my course, I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies, which will help you to make money constantly. And not only the strategy what I teach you, I'll be guiding you personally in live market also. The money management part, how to pick the stock, everything I'll be guiding you once you join with us. Coming to the next point, not controlling the emotions. Yes, this is also a big point, because a lot of people don't control their emotion. They jump to trade, they get hurried to trade, and they don't have the perfect mindset. Okay, so that's a very big mistake, so don't ever do that. So have a mind control. Okay, so don't do over trading and all this. So I have controls over emotions. And the last point is over trading, as I said you. Yes, so over trading, so for doing over trading there are a lot of reasons. Okay, the first reason is, let's assume you make one or two trades and make a profits, and then your mind will get into a profit making mode. Okay, and you'll become a greedy, and then you'll start to keep on doing trade for the day. Okay, so then what happens is, you'll keep losing. Okay, so one or two trades you'll make profit, and when you start to do over trading, you may lose it. Okay, so don't ever do that. So always fix one or two trades per day and exit it. So this is one kind of over trading. And second kind of over method may be like, you'll do a first trade and you will lose it, and then your mind will be telling like, do the trades to recover the loss. Okay, so that will also lead to a lot of pressure and lot of tension, because your mind will be telling recover the loss in the same day. So don't ever do that. So stop over trading. Okay, so that you can recover it in the next day. So if you do over trading, you'll be a lot of tension, pressure and all these things. So stop over trading, do only one or two trades per day. Okay, so these are the little mistakes what you can avoid to make a good profits in intraday trading. Okay, so and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit I made on what stock I traded, with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to make constant profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.